I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be?
Today I'll be making a Korean dish called 보쌈 or suyuk. I don't know what people call it. My mom always called it 보쌈. It's a pretty simple dish, honestly. Plug it in. These onions, forgot to get onions, so one will do. But you're not gonna eat this. This is just for this. I don't know. You're not gonna eat this. Onions and then green onions. And the secret for this recipe, beer. Yeah, you're not gonna drink this either. Just kidding, it's empty. You just want to have enough beer to where you can cover the meat. And this is the second secret. Usually for pork dishes, you get that like weird smell. But if you put some soybean paste in it with beer, you should be able to get rid of that. So I like to put like a spoon, maybe 2 spoons. Just depending on what you like. And it has a little bit of flavor as well. I'll put some minced garlic, just for flavor. If you've seen enough Korean recipes, you know that garlic always has a place in the recipe. A lot of people like to put ginger. I personally don't like buying ginger just for this because like I have a lot left over and I don't want to like throw the rest away, and so I just put ginger powder, just a little bit. Some people don't like ginger, and that's okay if you don't have to put it. And I'm gonna start boiling. And now we boil for 40 minutes. It's pretty simple, right? And if you know a little bit about 보쌈, you usually eat it with a side dish made out of radish. It's called 무생채. I actually made this yesterday, but it requires a lot of work, and I forgot to film it. So let me. This is what it looks like afterwards. Looks pretty good, eh? Now I lost track of time. Now I'm late, but I hope they're happy with this food and won't be mad at me for being late. Food needs to be safe.
You made this?
Yeah.
The crunch.
You like it?
Crunch.
Good morning, everyone. Today is April 7th. Just kidding, it's April 6th. I'll be going to Grandscape again to just work because the weather is supposed to be really nice today. But before that, as you can see, my room, you can see. Yeah, my room needs some cleaning. Yep, so I'll be cleaning my room before I head out. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been home to actually clean up, and when I come home from work or from doing other stuff, I get too lazy to clean up, but I think it's time. How is it? Harry's. Today's video is sponsored by. I'm just kidding. They gave us an employee discount for some reason. I don't know. The guy was being really nice. He was like, "Oh, since it's your first time here, we'll give you a Grandscape discount." He wants me. They are handmade chips. Oh, I think that's why I got it. Because it was on the menu. It said it was handmade chips.
So good.
This was his recommendation. Cream cheese on pizza.
It's an interesting combination.
This is white ketchup.
It's ranch.
Oh, really?
Not white ketchup.
Wait, they said it had white ketchup. Their
definitely
signature
ranch.
white ketchup. So troll.
You're so gullible.
No, it was on the menu.
Oh, what the? It's definitely not white ketchup. Unless white ketchup is ranch. So I vlogged yesterday. So awkward.
You were yesterday?
Huh? I vlogged yesterday.
Oh.
So awkward. When is it coming up? When is it coming up? I have no idea.
You went too far this time.
What do you do?
You hit my head.
You hit your head?
No! Oh. Oh, Tommy! Tommy! One more time. Choose. One more time. Choose. One more time. Choose. Choose, 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 choose.